Okay, so reality check. What is concept design for? And what is drawing by hand? Why is drawing by hand so good for it? Because we can do things like add this new layer and just quickly check. Have we really got a design that works here? I'll make this even bigger because we need to check that there's ample clearance when you have a 3-foot door to come into, and there has to be a generous area to enter into, and the walls should have some interest, and the space should become immediately interesting. And you should get, do we get a glimpse of that 2-story space? Is that exciting? Is there a glimpse of a kitchen? Is that exciting? And then in a very practical sense, do these rooms work? I'm pretty sure this is the one I'm most nervous about. I'm pretty sure we can get something in there. It could be a twin bed. We could also do that thing that you do see in the 60s quite a bit, and people could put their beds against the wall, or they could be bunk beds against the wall, okay? So I don't mind. Of course, we're going to have to figure out a way to get the closets to work. I guess the bunk beds could go on the other side. I don't know, but I'm not too worried about it. The important thing is I've got the right clearances, plus I've got some amenities happening, okay? So I've got 9 or 10 inches of stuff I can do with here. And I've still got my 3 feet 8, so I can get 3 feet through, and I could have a 4-inch door jamb on either side. My stair can safely take up here. Well, we'll see in a moment if the second floor works. I've got a bathroom that is close to working. Maybe I need another 6 inches at some point here, somewhere. But I'm pretty close, and I'm very happy with this room, because this room is essentially, this is the kind of heart of the downstairs design so far. It's going to be a big open room. It's going to be somewhat similar, I think, to the Ames thing with this, huge windows at the end. We won't be able to afford industrial windows, I don't think, but if you could, it'd be fantastic. And then you're going to have these rough-hewn beams up at the top, and an exciting bit of window to the south, and these chairs. I'm sort of quickly doing this perspective to sell myself, and this is even starting to look like that Bolin, Powell, and Wisniewski house that we looked at. Okay, here's some low shelves with interesting stuff in it and plants. So I'm happy with it, and it's concept design, and it's freehand, and I could not do this in SketchUp. Maybe some of you could, but I don't want to have to make all these difficult decisions and then be locked into them yet just by using my fingers on a keyboard and a mouse. I need there to be fluidity. I need there to be the option to come in and grab an entire section of this building in rectangular selection mode. And I'll just do this quickly. And enlarge this entire thing, move it all out a bit, and granted I could do that in SketchUp, but by doing it with pencil, I'm able to be so much more free with where I'm putting the lines, and it connects to my brain better. So I know I sound like a broken record advocating for the pencil, but I truly believe it, and I truly do love this kind of flexibility. So let's turn this off now. We have another big test, as you know, and I'm going to delete that layer, and we have to test this second floor now, okay?